Hello, thank you for choosing Algo Factory. In this video, we're going to instruct you on using xMaker. xMaker is an algorithmic trading strategy designing software which is compatible with MetaTrader 4 and 5. xMaker creates strategies based on your input in terms of statistical preferences and the price data you load on the software. You can download xMaker from our website for free and evaluate the performance of the strategies it can build for you. First, you have to register with the website and log in to your profile. In your profile page, you can see the list of software packages available for download. Download xMaker and start the installation process. You can either use your own price data extracted from MetaTrader 5 or use the sample dataset that we've provided in your profile page to download and start using on xMaker. Now you can run xMaker and load your data to start searching for trading strategies. After downloading a sample dataset, load it on xMaker and choose your search options, which include recovery factor, total trade, linear regression correlation, win ratio and maximum allowed correlation between strategies. Then click on the Start Search and wait for the strategies to be generated. Now you can see the performance of each strategy by clicking on them. You can also choose multiple strategies and see how they perform in combination. Each strategy has its own unique code that allows you to use the strategy on your live MetaTrader platform. All you have to do is to copy and paste the code of your chosen strategy in the Expert Advisor plugin, tailor-made for your MetaTrader account. Remember that you can use the Expert Advisor plugin several times with different strategies on the same symbol, or even use it on multiple symbols. To get the best results with xMaker, we suggest you extract your own price data from MetaTrader 5 using the Data Saver plugin we've provided for you in the software section of your profile page. After downloading the Data Saver file on your computer, double-click on the file to add it to the scripts section of MetaTrader 5. You can now find XDS in the scripts section in Navigator. Prepare currencies and MT5 max bars in charts and then press OK. Now you can find your price data in the predefined location. Thank you for your time, and we hope this video has been of help. For more information about xMaker, visit algofactory.co.uk.